Hey guys, I'm HP and here I want to make a little walkthrough through the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. There are some amazing new features there, which is interesting for everybody who wants to join there, for free members, for premium members. And this video shall help you to understand all the features and how to get the best benefit out of it. To save your time, the most important feature is going to be explained at the beginning of this video and the more specific features more at the ending of this video. But everything is going to be explained to you now that you really understand the system. You don't need to spend hours and hours of finding out all functions. And it's really cool. I mean, I worked really hard on this system here, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love what I've done for you. So let's get started with this. We first start on the website, hpcrazy.com, and then I walk you through all different features. Okay? So we are now on the website here, and if you want to go to the Guitar Academy, either you click on this link here or on this link here, or you just have the link which you found on the YouTube video description. So this is now the landing page for the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So click here to join, and now you see the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I'm going to sign out now, so it's going to be brand new for you. So here you find some first instructions, and here you find the overview of all sections. Okay, good. Now to sign up is really simple. Sign up, put in your data and create an account. I already have one here, a test account. This will result in a free membership. So now you're here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Now you can choose any section of your choice. Let's do blues. And here we are in the blues section. Now here you find important tips and tricks, and what is really a cool new feature now is you have expanded search tags. So here, this blue spot here, you see this blue mark thing, shows you the level of each lesson. So the first one is a blues guitar masterclass, second is blues guitar intermediate. Here we have blues guitar intermediate. Where do we have blues guitar easy? Now if you, let's say you're a beginner and you want to have easy lessons, you just click on this link, and this leads you to all lessons which are marked with blues guitar easy. So you can go through these lessons, okay? There are also other tags. I'll show you. I clicked in one lesson here. Now here up here you find more tags: blues guitar improvisation, blues guitar. Let's see what happens when we click here. Okay, there's only one here. But yeah, it's going to be expanded more. The system is brand new, and the most important thing is tagged. It's the level. If you go to rock as an example, here you see the same thing again. You see your level marked here. Okay. Now we are still on the free membership. There are another few features available for free members. If you join the HPCrazy Students Club here, this is a club. You find, I'm going to leave the club now to show you. You join here, you join the club, now you're a member of the club. And now here you have all the tags here. And all what I'm talking about is the same for premium members. Okay? You have topics here. You can also open topics if you want. You just start somewhere. I wanted to accept. Didn't I accept? So now here we have a... Okay, now we got it. That was a little bit a problem. Now you have the same thing here. You have topics. You can open up your own topic here if you have something to discuss, and we have files. The files placed here are free for all members. So if you want to download them, just go here, download, and We're going to open it up. Let's see what we have here. Some licks. Cool. Okay. So that's for free members. If you want to have a work on your profile, you go here on your profile, and here you can do your own activity. You can write your public messages for all your followers. Maybe you find friends here which follow you. What you write here, you can write here, and here you find the clubs which you're following. See, we have a few visitors which checked what you were doing, and you also get some awards. Let me quickly show you how you manage your followed content. You can follow any content. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's follow something. Let's say you're interested in blues. Then you just follow, and here you can set the notifications. You have a notification with email once per day. Don't send any notifications. You can also mark that people see that you follow this, and this will give you more interactive possibilities. Okay, so that's for free members. Now if you want to, let me go back. You can watch all tutorials for free, of course. But if you're interested to download the backing tracks, the tabs for the lessons, here, you need to have a subscription. That will lead us to the premium membership. Let's click on this link again. So this leads you to the subscriptions. You can subscribe monthly or yearly, and with a discount when you make a renewal. I recommend a yearly subscription because it's easier, but it's serious. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay. So once you've done the upgrade, I'm gonna sign in with another account. Let's go back to this lesson here. Then you can, of course, you agree, you can download this stuff, agree and download, and this leads to here. You can see you can download the tabs in PDF and the backing track as an MP3 file. This is the brand new system. The older lessons have a slight different system, but it's the same thing. The files are just added below any lesson here. Let's go here. See, this is the old system. They are tagged here. You can download them. Here's the same system, but the other system is the brand new system which we have now here. Okay. So these were the main features for all members. Now let's get to the more sophisticated features. If you're interested to get private lessons, you go to the store, and let me see, where are those? Manage purchase, store. You just go to the store, and here you can have private lessons, private guitar lessons with video download or Skype lessons. You just click on one, add to chart, and then just follow the instructions. If you're interested to have an overview over the downloads, the file which can be downloaded, you click here on downloads. Here you find the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with all departments, and also another department, healing and therapy music, is beside another thing which I'm doing, which is also placed here, is probably of your interest here. It's just brand new now. Okay. If you want to contact me for support, you just go here on support, new request, you write me something. If you have any questions about guitar playing, specific questions, you select guitar support. But there I charge $20 to solve your problem. This is not a full lesson, it's just about to solve your problem, maybe on a tutorial or whatever, if you want to really have a professional opinion. If you want to have a free support, that's no problem. You just go to any specific tutorial you like, and here you post a question and submit. It's really simple. Okay. So, what else to say? I think that's more or less that's it. Yeah, of course, the concerts, the live streaming concerts. You also get, if you want to share your status update to the community, you just click here and write anything you like and submit it, and people can comment, watch what you think about. It's really cool to have interaction. But till now, Tony did a lot of stuff here, and Andrea. These are the two main posters here. But if you want to join the community, just do this here. Go to your status or your profile. You can do the same there. Let me show you that. Profile again. Here you can write your status, and that will appear there. You will get rewards. You see here your summary of rewards you get by being an active member of the community, and you're going to be featured here. See, here is now a few people which did stuff. Okay, now there are also concerts. Here is a piano concert coming in 1 week. If you want to join, just here's going to be a live streaming link, and if you want to make a donation for the concert you watched, click on this link, and this leads you directly in the system where you can make a donation for any concert which will appear. It's going to be guitar concerts and piano concerts. Yeah, the rest of the system is my my full artist work, is my blog, my guitar recordings, my Farbmusik. It's very special music with colors. I'm also a pianist, but currently I don't play so much piano. Here are some posts, and the rest is the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Yeah, that was about it. Let me go quickly in account settings. Here you can change your email address, your password, your signature. If you want to have a signature, you can do that here if you want. Yeah, here are your subscriptions which you have. However, here you find anything you want to do with. Those were the main features now. They're really brand new of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. It's really cool, and it's the idea of the whole thing is to have everything at one spot. I mean, if you just follow me on YouTube, it's cool too. But if it's, YouTube is not really organized. And here you really can ask questions, can interact with other students, and make your learning experience way more interesting, way more useful for you. Because learning is also interaction with others. You can discuss with us, hey, dude, how did you do that, or stuff like that. That's the main idea of this. Otherwise, I would not have done all this work for you guys. And as I said, in the Students Club, this for free members, there I will add some stuff for download, little snippets or whatever, some ideas. That's going to, even as a free member, you have a lot of benefit in all this. And as a premium membership, you support the work I'm doing for you. Even if you don't use so many lessons, I really recommend to do that, also to support the work and to keep it on an economic, healthy basis. That's all. That's the whole system. Was really a lot of work, I must say. Since I started this journey 2 years ago, I feel now it's perfect, and now it's ready for you guys to really go wild there and enjoy and learn and dive into music. It's going to be fun, and I'm going to be there for you as much as I can. And there are already like over 100 premium members. So it's really, the community starts to grow now. So see you there, guys.